Hi everyone, it's Aga from crystalbeats.com and I'm here with another fun tutorial for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. For this video, I planned something really simple but really pretty. We're going to be making these cute but also very easy earrings. All you need is some findings, some jump rings, and some pliers to close the jump rings, and that's it. I really like monochromatic projects like this, and for this one I was inspired by this beautiful finding by Tierracast. And I thought these flowers could really use some like a cute butterfly, or as you can see here, a dragonfly in the middle, and it's really simple. It will go with various outfits, so let's go. Let me tell you a little bit about the materials. So obviously we're going to need two of this wonderful connector from Tierracast, as I said, two of these dragonflies or any other charm that you have that will fit in this exact space in this finding. So not too big, because otherwise it will kind of jangle against connector, and that might not be that pleasant near the ear. This one does jingle a little bit, but it's nothing you can't handle. You're also going to need two earring findings. Here I'm going to be using these leather back earring hooks. And you're going to need 6 jump rings, and these, I believe, 21 gauge jump rings. And you can use any jump rings that you want that are at least 6 millimeters. And when it comes to the gauge, they need to fit through these little holes in there. So I think up to maybe 18 gauge, it will be fine. But I'm going to be using these 21 gauge ones. And basically that's it. You're also going to need some pliers. I'm going to be using chain nose pliers and those tapered flat nose pliers to close and open my rings. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hang my dragonfly on a jump ring. And for this one, you can also use a different size jump ring. So all of these are 6 millimeters, but for the pendant, you can use a smaller one. These are 6 or more because this is what will allow you to connect all these pieces and make a nice dangly earring. Okay, let's just open that ring. Remember to always swivel and never like open them like this, because the metal may break. And I'm also adding on another jump ring onto there and closing that. I'm going to try to make it as even and as close as possible, just because I want it to look nice and even. I'm opening that one, and now I'm going to put it into the ear wire. And mind that the dragonfly is actually facing the front of the ear wire, because on the other side it has little legs. So we want it from the front. So here's the front, and here's the front of the ear wire. So you just want to make sure it's going to be facing the front. And closing up. Now I'll be taking this finding and attaching a jump ring on each side. There. Maybe I could make this one a little bit more even. Because as you can see, it has like a little gap over there. Now that's even. Okay. Now there's 2 jump rings remaining, so I'm opening one of them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this part and going from behind, I'm gonna attach this because it's on the, if you look at it from the front, this is on the left side. So I'm looking at the front of this finding because, oops, again, it has a left and a right side. Let me just do it again because I dropped it. Holding it from the front and going it from behind. And holding the jump ring and my finding like this. I put it into that ring and close it. The only thing left to do right now is add the last jump ring and connect all of it together. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This might be a little more challenging because it's quite a distance from that other jump ring and you just need to connect it. There, and now I just need to close it without letting anything out of the jump ring. Just like that. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Open and close jump rings, and this is the result. As you can see, with 6mm jump rings and this exact dragonfly pendant or charm, this is exactly the length that goes with this connector from Tierracast. So I really like this design because it fits perfectly. I hope you liked this short and sweet tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this brief video and see you in the next one. Bye!